What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute. I had to take some time for myself. You know, just kind of take some time to myself to get my life together, kind of get organized and figure out which way I want to go next with the channel. But yeah, we out here in Vegas right now at a car meet. We're here for TJ Hunt's Mustang. That's what I came out here to see. But I believe it's the Riff car meet. So yeah, man, you guys see the strip behind me. But yeah, we about to get into it and start checking out some of these cars. Hopefully you guys can hear me because we are right by the freeway. Let me show you guys. Here goes the view. We're right by the freeway. It's a little windy out here, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out what cars they got. All right, you guys, here's TJ Hunt's wide body Mustang that was banned from SEMA. This car looks way better in person, and definitely doesn't resemble any other kit. I definitely think TJ did his own thing on it. You can see some dirt marks on it because he was originally supposed to take it to SEMA, but then he decided to take it on a dry lake bed. Manual gearbox. Excuse me. Sorry guys, there's a lot of people right here trying to record the car also. You guys can see on camera, looks very different to me. I definitely just think Ford was hating on him because this kit goes on for sale. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna want to buy it. I can't get over the wheels, man. They look way better in person too. Everything just looks better in person, which is that's the way it's supposed to be. Trying to get the best content possible, but it's like every time I get close to the car, somebody else want to go behind me. But as you can see, this thing's sitting on Toyos. Let's get the wheel specs. Here we go. Right over here. They also got a couple different cars out here as well. They got this Ferrari Pista, it looks like. Super clean, satin black with the red stripes. Fully tinted up. Super clean. Carbon fiber mirrors. Carbon intake. Carbon gasket. We got a lot of carbon fiber details. Look at the engine bay on this. They also got this. Got this McLaren out here. Damn. Look at these wheels on this McLaren right here. What size are these? The 2021 setup, I think. Convertible. I've definitely seen this McLaren online before. It's all about the details. Look at this. See it. Stay tuned this whole video because like I said, it's just getting started. This is super dope. Here goes a better take on the Mustang. I don't know which one's gonna make the final of the video, but I keep on trying to catch it when no one's really around. But you see the wide body, This is the brand new Mustang. For you guys that don't really know, see all the sponsorships, the wing. Not like that, TJ decided to actually go take it on the dry lake bed out here. Like I said, this car was banned from SEMA due to Ford hating on him, because they said it resembled the GTD Ford. But overall, I think this car is a super clean build. It got the Recaros inside, if you can see. Check out the wheels, 1-of-1 wheels, haven't been released yet. I mean, if you look at the hood, you check out all details of this vehicle. I mean, it's truly a unique build. I guess for an auto manufacturer like Ford to hate on you, you got to be doing something right. I think this is the best car that came out this year, as far as just, you know, from factory. And then what TJ did to it, I think it's just a perfect build. And I really feel bad that they took this away from him for SEMA. Super dope Audi wagon. HREs it looks like. This one's super dope. This looked like TJ Hunt's Supra. Oh, I'm not too sure if this is the giveaway Supra. Oh shit, it is. Looks like the dude brought it. TJ just jumped in it to park it. See TJ in there. Super sick.
I'm so jealous. You ever sell this car?
So it looks like we just made it inside. I believe this is. I believe this is Mo Shalizi's car right here. One of his. Dude has a crazy car collection. I'm originally from LA and sent a lot of cars to a shop called RDBLA, so I've seen this online. Again, certain builds should look better in person. All these type of builds look way better in person. It's all in the details. Then they got this all blacked out SF90. I believe this shit is dope. Oh shit! It's not. This is the newer Ferrari. This ain't the SF90. This is oh my god! See the rift carbon fiber. It's all in the detail of this car. The spec. This is slime green Lamborghini Urus, wide body kit, carbon fiber side skirts. Look at this wheel, look at the lip on it. Dope. And they got this Technica here with the carbon fiber details on it. This thing car is pretty insane. I didn't even know Rift made parts for Porsche, I should say. That shit is sick though. Got this McLaren here. Excuse me. This is the Street Hunter and TJ's wide body Supra. They did. I can't remember. I think he did a giveaway on this, to be honest with you. This, I've never really been a big Supra guy, but between the color it is, I like black cars, and the kit, the quality of the kit, and how well made it was throughout the videos they displayed it and showed it. I'm not the craziest, you know, car person as far as working on cars goes, but this is just something definitely like a great car to kind of start a channel with if you're able to. If I were to build this car, I'd literally do everything the same, just maybe do it red and then black face, polished lip. Or full blackout on the wheels. All of TJ's cars so far, and I'm not just saying this because I watch his channel, but they look a lot better in person, and what I mean by that is the quality is just there, everything lines up. You know, a lot of times that doesn't happen. Sometimes you see a car in person, it doesn't look better, it looks worse. So it's a sick car. Big color man. Got this Audi RS6 wagon. Sick, boy. These are my boys' Vegas Auto Gallery dealership I always go to. F8, man. Oh, this SVJ. Tiffany blue F8. guys see the SVJ? This shit is so sick. All white, gloss carbon fiber. This thing is sick. Look at the view off of this meat right here, bro. It's dope. Red, black wheels, red calipers. And it's a roaster. You see the carbon fiber tops. It's gross. Off the chain. Excuse me. It's all the details that make these type of cars the way they are. I ain't even gonna fake it to you guys. This is Chevelle. I'm trying to figure out what year this is. This is something I like right here a lot. They put up stunting too. This shit is clean. Interior looks original. You see the steering wheel. I'm trying to get this for y'all. Pulled up stunting too. Is this a 69 Chevelle? What year is this? I'm not too sure. Y'all comment down what year Chevelle this is. I'm not sure. You see the exhaust dumping out the bottom. This joint is clean as hell. Sorry, bro. How you good, bro? Get in here.
Oh, I like the peak accent.
Johnny put up over here stunting. Pink G-Wagon on him. She got the Brabus wheels on there. Y'all see it? Coyote F-150 right there. He been driving through. Brabus G-Wagon. This shit is dope. She put a stunt. And that satin peak hitting hard too. Carbon fiber on the front. This G-Wagon is ill. That's the GT3 I'd get right there, y'all. The new one on Cruise. Oh, this shit is hard. Purple M3 comp, white interior. I'll take both of those right there. Black GT3. Look at that bitch. Look at the pipe on that bitch. Got an Audi RS3 pulling in. I know this video is all over the place, y'all, but if I get a Porsche, this would be the exact one I'd get. Not the newest GT3. I'd take this, but I would want this generation GT3 RS though, but this is still cool. It's perfect Porsche. I feel like I'll take this over the new Porsche any day, man. This is just a dope car, man. All black. I'd have it tinted, of course. But man, this view is just crazy. It's a dope spec right here. The new Ferrari, I ain't seen these customized too much. It's like a satin tan gold color match wheels.
Inside, yeah, inside's kind of closed down.
Yo, look at the digital dash in there. Brought it back. You got Dylan trying to fit inside the Mustang with 2 people in the back.
It's super comfortable.
Got the RR Cullinan out here. Big body. We about to get them pulling out. Oh shit, I didn't even see this satin black. Ah, they went that way. Hey man, shout out to the whole Street Hunter team, man. Fuck Ford, stop hating on them, man. TJ brought 2 Ford builds out and just recently got a Ford truck. Man, all them guys are stand-up dudes. If you know they work, follow their channel. They ain't the type of dudes to copycat or try to like take the kid or none of that shit. That shit's bad for the car game, bad for the car culture for real, to be honest. These dudes have been grinding all year long trying to have that car in SEMA. For them to pull that is kind of crazy. But all right, man, that's it for my video today. Like I said, I appreciate all y'all for checking in. Sorry I'm out of breath. This cold as hell out here. But yeah, man, we back to the content, back lit, back getting to it, man. Make sure y'all tune in, subscribe, like this video, comment, all that.